Assalamu alaikum. My name is Tuqa and today I'm going to teach you three short vowels: Fatha, Dhamma and Kasra. So let's get started. I mentioned in the introduction of this course that Arabic script has two layers of writing. The first one consists of the Arabic alphabet, the letters. The second one consists of short vowels and other pronunciation markers. So today we're going to learn these short vowels. We have this mark, we call it Fatha. This one we call it Dhamma. And this we call it Kasra. So what is the difference between Fatha and Kasra? They look alike, right? Well, Fatha is written on the letter and above the dots of the letter, while Kasra is written below the letter and below its dots. Each short vowel of these sounds like one of the long vowels. The difference between them is the length of the sound. So let's start with Fatha. Here we have Ba and Alif. Ba and Alif is Ba. Ba and Fatha is Ba. So Fatha sounds like Alif but shorter. Ta and Alif is Ta. Ta and Fatha is Ta. Tha and Alif is Tha. Tha and Fatha is Tha. It is very important to differentiate between Alif sound and Fatha sound. So let's practice. Here we have three pairs of words. They have the same consonants but different vowels. Listen carefully and pay attention to the difference. Bat, 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 bat. Tab, 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 tab. Thabat, 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 thabat. Now, Dhamma. It looks like wow, but smaller. It also sounds like wow, but shorter. Let's see. Ba and wow, boo. Ba and Dhamma, boo. Ta and wow, tu. Ta and Dhamma, tu. Tha and wow, thu. Tha and Dhamma, thu. Finally, the last short vowel, Kasra. It corresponds to the long vowel, Ya. Let's see. Ba and Ya, bi. Ba and Kasra, bi. Ta and Ya, ti. Ta and Kasra, ti. Tha and Ya, thi. Tha and Kasra, thi. Here we have 5 words with no vowels. Listen carefully to the pronunciation and try to add the correct vowels. ثبت, 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 ثبت. تبت, تبت, تبت. تبتي, تبتي, تبتي. تثبت, تثبت, تثبت. Another exercise. Here we have 5 words with long vowels and short vowels. Let's read them letter by letter. ثبات, ثبات, ثبات. ثابت 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 ثبوت 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 تثبيت تثبيت تثبيت. We've learned 3 short vowels. But how we call these vowels in Arabic? Well, we call them حركات. حركات. However, we don't use حركات usually. We Arabic speakers already know how to pronounce words. We don't need حركات, so we hardly ever use them. However, there are 2 exceptions for that. The first one is children books. Children need حركات in order to know how to pronounce words and how to read their texts. The other main exception is religious books, such as the Quran, the Hadith books, and the Bible. That's it for today. If you have any questions, leave me a comment down below. Thanks for watching and see you soon. Salam!